extreme weather over here. I'm sorry to upload so late, and also so sorry I not upload for other weekends because I was waiting for a new keyboard. That's why it take a little while to upload. Maybe for next weekend, maybe I will upload some more. And there's gonna be a lot of super cells forming at right at 8. There's still gonna be a little bit cape left to make right now at 9, because still we need to keep eye on it. To the weather going on right now, there there are lots of radar going on. Show you there's lots of hail facing it on right now. You can see right here. There's the biggest is like 2.6.3 inch of hail. We need also keep on the colder air because negative opinion A levels going on. When you are positive is warmer. Because hopefully when California will be colder, that means more warmer for the plains all the way to the northeast. We need to keep eye on for any case there's any changes. Then this you see this red box. There's also been like a tornado going on right now over tonight. We need to keep on in case these storms are over tomorrow. Also, I think gonna be maybe wind and slash hail threat going on right now. You see in that red circle, there's like a little bit of low K values going on. That's why maybe it's a little bit weakening. And also the cape are slowly deteriorating until tomorrow afternoon. There's gonna be a little bit, and we need to keep an eye for the cape values going on June 2nd, and also because we're looking at the when it was the storm start blowing up like 111 or 9 hours ago, and then blowing up since then. Then nighttime came, then get the cape a little bit lower. That's what's going on right now. We need to keep eye on it. Oh, maybe there's a little fire going on right now. We need to keep an eye on it right now. Yeah, maybe there's a little bit fires going on. You see that smoke to gray cloud. That's maybe there's like indicator there's like fire going on right now. To the Anita and that show you maybe June or July, but until August and September, maybe go back to Anita since June July and maybe August will be neutral phase going on right now. Also, there's a tropical system by the Mexico area. We need to, in case, well, maybe warmer ocean over there, but I'm thinking after like 5 days, maybe it start weakening. We just don't know what's going on right now. We need to, in case this system going on right now. We need to go back to Outlook. Now there's a significant risk for severe weather going on right now. There's like one MDS, and also there's like severe thunderstorm watch and a tornado watch. Also, in case maybe there's also maybe the low pressure and high wall going on right now. In case we need to keep eye on it, what's going on over tonight. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.